video should I make? Hey dude. Hey, what's up? Have you watched Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness? Yeah, I did. It was a cool movie. Kind of confusing, but still, it was a great movie. Dude, wasn't it cool? It was about the multiverse and stuff, so many other universes. It was like the best movie I have ever watched in my life. Yeah, I know, right? I like how the traffic lights swapped color and how there were pizza walls, right? Yeah, it was pretty creative, I guess. Hey dude. Yes? Who knows? Maybe there may be a universe where you never opened a YouTube channel about astronomy. Maybe there's a universe where Earth doesn't exist. Maybe there's a universe where you don't exist. Maybe there's a universe where you don't exist. Maybe there's a universe where horror characters or superheroes exist. Maybe there's a universe where flying giraffes exist. Maybe there's a universe where the Axis leaders have won World War II. Maybe there's a universe where a COVID-19 pandemic has never begun. Maybe there's a universe where there's a floating Timbit in space, which is a planet. Maybe there's a universe where the coin has landed on the side. Maybe there's a universe where Earth is actually flat. Maybe there's a universe where Earth is a cube. Maybe there's a universe where Earth is a velociraptor. Maybe there's a universe where Earth still has velociraptors. Maybe there's a universe where we are not making this conversation about parallel universes, and I'm not making a skit talking with myself just to make the audience laugh, and I'm directly starting to make the video without wasting time on making a skit in the beginning of the video. Alright everyone, welcome to another video, another celestial tour. That skit really took too long, but still I hope you liked it. I hope it made you laugh and made you think about the other possible parallel universes, because today's topic is the multiverse. Ah yes, the MCU's favorite ingredient in movies. Movies like Spider-Man No Way Home and Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness are basically about the multiverse, and both are good Marvel movies in my opinion. So that's probably why people are interested in the theory of the multiverse. So let's discuss it. The multiverse. The multiverse theory is a theory that states that there are infinite other versions of our universe, so our gigantic universe is not the only one. I uploaded a video a year ago. It was the 4th video in this channel. I mean, it's pretty old, and the most viewed video at the same time. Anyways, in that video, I showed you a site showing the size comparison of the universe, and it is obvious that we are a piece of dust compared to the observable universe. Now, the multiverse theory suggests that our universe, with its hundreds of billions of galaxies and amount of stars very hard to count, being in gigantic sizes, spanning tens of billions of light years across, is just one of the infinitely different parallel universes. Now, we're talking about an infinite amount of universes. Each one of them may have their own laws of physics, their own type of collections of stars and galaxies, if they even exist in other universes, and their own type of intelligent civilizations that the human mind can't even comprehend. Like in the beginning of the video in the skit, there can be any kind of parallel universe. A universe where I don't exist, where you don't exist, where the earth is flat, where there are flying giraffes, where I don't make this video. And there can also be doppelgangers of us, copies of us. Anything is possible, but every single one of these universes can have any kind of differences. Like from stars and galaxies being missing, from me clapping my hands. We're talking about an infinite amount of universes, which theoretically is called the multiverse. Now, of course, the theory of the multiverse may not be true. It is a theory, and it is obviously impossible to go across 93 billion light years and be out of the universe. 93 billion times 9.4 trillion equals to some kind of number that couldn't be thinking of. That much years you would need to exit our universe and go to another universe if you don't have superpowers, of course. And with thinking that this is extremely impossible, you need extreme protection, and the universe is expanding. But we can still have a theoretical and physical evidence, right? The concept of the multiverse is being spoken freely in the areas of physics, but the most noticeable example comes from the Big Bang Theory. In my Big Bang Theory video, I talked about how in the first trillionth of a second of the universe, the most earliest version of the universe expanded rapidly. I haven't mentioned this in that video, but that is also called the inflation theory. Inflation ended 13.8 billion years ago, in the very beginning of the cosmological timeline of our universe. Now, cosmologists are saying that inflation does not end everywhere at the same time, which means that possibly there are still regions where inflation still continues. And there are regions, like our universe, where inflation has ended a very long time ago. The eternal inflation scenario is showing that each of these universes, with their own inflation, are emerging with their own laws of physics, their own collection of particles, and their own arrangement of forces, and their own values of fundamental constants. For example, our structure of an atom is made with protons, neutrons, and electrons. There are 4 types of forces: strong and weak forces, gravity, and electromagnetism. And when it comes to our fundamental constants, we can take dark matter, for example. It is a property of our universe that we can't explain. But the biggest evidence is probably the existing life. Some aspects of our universe seem special and important for supporting life, such as the longevity of stars, the abundance of carbon, the availability of light for photosynthesis, and the stability of complex nuclei. According to scientists, all of these features may not be in another random parallel universe. The multiverse offers one explanation for why all of these features are beneficial in our universe, which is that other universes exist as well. But we witness this one because it is capable of supporting sophisticated life. Basically, in other words, in a multiverse, there are enough chances for life to appear in at least one universe. But most scientists are still skeptical of the multiverse idea. Therefore, they're looking for physical evidence. An example of physical evidence is if a neighboring universe occurred to be close to ours at some point in the past, it may have crashed with ours, leaving a detectable imprint. This imprint might manifest itself as distortions in the cosmic microwave background, basically light left behind from when the universe was 1,000,000 times smaller than it is now, or unusual galaxy features in the collision's direction. But the research remained empty, so the theory of multiverse is still hypothetical. Of course, as a person interested in astronomy, I have to question. I also have some small theories in my mind. So, as you know, black holes are amazing structures where even light can't escape. And I have said this in my previous videos. What if there's a structure that just spits stuff instead of sucking them, called the white hole? I have also talked about the structure of a wormhole. Wormholes are structures that transfer some particle from a place to another place faster than light. Now, the laws of physics in other universes may be different, we said. And in another parallel universe, just like how we have black holes, other universes may have white holes. A particle that goes into a black hole may end up in a parallel universe, getting out of a white hole. Some scientists are suggesting stuff like this, and I have decided to think about this based on what some physicists say. Or like in movies, you can just have the powers of America Chavez from Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. So, I hope you liked the video. Basically, I talked about the theory of the multiverse and gave my own thoughts about it. I basically talked about how the multiverse works, if it only exists though. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video and stay astronaut. Wait, what the hell is going on? What's happening? Are we traveling across the multiverse? Oh my god! Oof. I wonder what kind of universe I am in right now. Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another astrological tour. In this video, I will talk about why astronomy and astrology aren't the same thing. Astronomy isn't even a science. It is just observing the night sky. It is considered as a set of science, while astrology is a science that actually studies how the celestial objects can have an effect on us. What the hell? This is me in the parallel universe? What the hell is this news? Famous astrological physicist Neil deGrasse Tyson explains why the Earth is flat. Astronomy can't be the same with astrology. Astrology is a true science, scientists explain. Conspiracy theorists saying that the Earth is a globe and the moon landings were real, and how they are still supporting NASA. What the hell? The biggest conspiracy theory in history, of course made by NASA, is water found on the moon. Astronomers thinking that they are the real scientists. Top famous astrologers that proved that the Earth is flat. What kind of universe is this? Wait, the Earth in this universe may really be flat. But what is going on? Are we in our universe? Oh, thank God. Yes, my channel is alive. And let's look at the news. There are amazing news by astronomers. Oh, okay, we're back in our universe. Okay, for real though, that was another skit, just to make the video, more entertaining. Anyways guys, so stay astronomical.